Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Robin and today I'm here with another fall hair video. I'm trying to do these fall hair videos all fall long, at least 2 to 3 a month. So this is my second one, I want to say, in October or September. I'm gonna have another one coming up next week for you guys. And so if you like these fall hair tutorials, definitely let me know so I can keep doing them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and also let me know what you want to see in the comments below. I'm just right now winging it, just doing things that I like to do, but I definitely want to do things that you guys would love to see. So definitely can I talk today? Definitely let me know and I will do it for you guys. So let's just get right into this hair. Anyone who knows me knows that I love curly hair. I love curly hair. I used to wear curly hair all the time. I just recently stopped wearing it and going more straight. But this hair is from Tinashe hair off Aliexpress. Now, excuse me if I'm not saying the name right. I'm probably butchering the name, but I will leave it in the corner or at the bottom somewhere here so you guys can see it. Also, as usual, all the links will be in the info bar. If the links are not up as soon as I put the video up, they'll be in there sometime. So yeah, I want to say this hair was a 20-inch frontal, a 20, 22, 24, and 26-inch bundles. I'm not sure, I could be lying, but I will leave it in the info bar as well, or put it somewhere in this video for you guys. Okay, so this hair is gorgeous. It's definitely beautiful hair. I don't want to touch it too much. I'm looking in my viewfinder to make sure I'm in focus, because I've recorded this video already and I worked all day, got off from work and decided to record from you guys because I'm going out of town next weekend and I don't want to have like a 2-week delay in my videos. So I decided to color this video. It did come in a natural 1B color, kind of like it is right here at the top. I went in with a bleach and then put a color over it. I do have a coloring video for you guys. I don't know if it will be up before or after this video, but I'll probably do it in the same order I did my Yolissa hair, whereas I showed you guys the hair first and then I went in and did the coloring video because you guys seem to like that. But yeah, as far as the frontal is concerned, if I'm all over the place, excuse me. Like I said, I'm tired. I literally did my makeup, got dressed just to record. Like, I'm not going anywhere. I haven't been anywhere. As soon as I'm finished recording, all of this is coming off and I'm going to bed. But back on topic. Yeah, like, I can't stop looking at myself because this, yes, this hair it's really gorgeous, you guys. It's, I believe, I want to say it's Brazilian curly. It gives me more deep wave. I did bleach it, and the fact that I bleached it and it still has a curl pattern is like an AA++++, because usually when you bleach hair that's curly, it gets more, it loses its curl pattern. And even though this did drop in pattern just a tiny bit, it became more to a color and curl pattern that I prefer. I don't like really tight curls, but I don't like really loose curls. So I'm like somewhere in the middle, and I love messy hair, big messy hair. And if you keep touching this hair and you keep bothering this hair, it will blow up. Like, I probably won't even be able to fit it in this little screen. So yeah, the hair gets big. The more you touch it, the bigger the hair gets. So if you want it to be a little bit more tame than this, I would definitely wet it down, put some curling mousse in it, and don't touch it, don't bother it at all. Because if you do too much touching to this hair, it's a wrap, it's over with, you're done, you're finished, you're canceled, all of that stuff. So this is what the hair looks like, not on my head. So this is what the hair looks like. I will say one thing I did not like about this hair was the frontal. The frontal did not bleach as easy as the bundles. I put them on the same amount of time, but rinsed them out at different times because I wanted like a reverse ombre effect. The back of my hair, I don't know if it's going to capture on camera. I don't know if you can see that, but this in person, the back of my hair is lighter than the frontal. I did that on purpose, but I still had to keep the frontal on twice as long just to get it to lift to a medium brown. And then for me to turn around and put the box dye that I put on, I think it was like cinnamon sugar or brown, some crap, whatever. I will let y'all know. It will be a coloring video on this hair so you guys can know. But it was like a brown color, a Revlon box dye that I put on top of it. I didn't want to use a semi-permanent. I wanted to use something more permanent this time, but you can definitely use cinnamon. I think it's cinnamon from Adore, and you can get the same color as long as you dye your hair. I don't know about my makeup. You guys like my makeup? This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but we'll see. By the time I edit the video and do all that, I'll be feeling myself. I don't know how I look. I know how I feel about it. Let me know if you guys want makeup tutorials, because I'm thinking about doing one before I go out of town, and I probably can have it up before I leave. But yeah, like, I'm really feeling this hair, y'all. I don't know, I'm feeling it. It's really cute. It's not very heavy on my head. It's not weighing me down. I still feel alive. I just did the got to be glued method, honestly. Like I said, I was rushing, and I had other hair installed when I got home from work today. I got home at 6. I think it's, let me check my time. I want to say it's 10. So in 4 hours I threw all this together. So if it's not perfect, don't kill me. But I'm gonna take it off and reinstall it, do some baby hairs on it. I didn't want to do any baby hairs this time. I wanted to see how it looked without the baby hairs. The frontal came pre-plucked, which is always a plus. You will see the frontal in the bundles in the coloring video. And even though I bleached it, it's not shedding like crazy. The hair still feels very, very good. This is the color, the way the color took on the hair, just in case you wanted to see it on the weft. And this is how much I have back. So I didn't even use all the hair. When you're doing big, full curly hair, you don't need 3 bundles in the frontal. If you want to be dramatic, you can get 3 bundles in the frontal. But if you just want hair that's this density and this volume, you can just do 2.5 bundles in the frontal. Lately I have not been in the mood for big hair. I have been keeping it hella simple when it comes to my hair, so I'll do like 2.5 bundles in the frontal. Now closure is different, but usually on the frontal I'll do 2.5 bundles and that's it. Like, I'm not trying to be walking around with a whole bunch of horse on my head. Like, lately I just have not been into it. But that's all I have to say about this hair. Oh, one last thing. The ends, no ma'am. The ends were a no ma'am. That was my #1 no with this hair. The ends were not up to par. And I don't know if it's because I bleached it. I want to say before I even bleached this hair, the ends were a no, but definitely after bleaching it, the ends were a hell no. So at the ends, I literally had to cut my wig about this much off my wig. Maybe about that much off. So now my 26 is like a 24. So if you're somebody who, you know, you want all your inches and you don't want to have to cut nothing or nothing like that other than a little bit of layering, I would think about that. Or if you really, really like this hair, I would just think about going a little bit longer so you can cut it. That's something I do whenever I order hair. No matter where the hair comes from, no matter who sends it to me, I always cut the ends of my hair, because I have yet to get hair that has perfect ends. Sorry y'all, I have yet to get hair that has perfect ends. Like, yet. I think the only hair I ever had that had like bomb ass ends and I did not have to touch it at all is, I want to say, maybe Ali Julia. They're straight hair. Straight hair, you can get away with it kind of, but once you get to the deep wave and the curly patterns, no ma'am. Usually you have to trim the ends because the ends don't curl. And I had to cut them in order for them to, you know, curl with my curly mousse and stuff like that. If you want a video on how I maintain my curly hair, definitely let me know and I will have that up for you guys. Other than that, that's it. Make sure you thumbs up this video. If you like what you see, if you like to hear me ramble about hair, make sure you thumbs up this video so I know to make some more. I have so many more hair videos coming for you guys. I have application videos, I have dyeing videos, I got a wig making video I'm working on. I have different vendors for you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see what I have, so make sure you to subscribe. Can your girl talk? Make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you hit the notifications bell. Click it. Do like this. Click on the notifications bell so you catch all my uploads as soon as they're uploaded. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.